Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to make another juice and I'm excited to try this peach, because you know we have different kind of peach, so we are going to try these peaches today, and some raspberry, apple, lemon. I'm going to look to see if I have any ginger in the fridge, and we will add it. If not, we'll do without. But this drink is going to be a very refreshing drink. So I am going to wash my peaches. So we are going to use both package. Looks good. So guys, just give me a few minutes. I've already washed my apples from last week, so these was in the fridge. So we are gonna just wash these, and these are in the fridge too, in the package, just to store them, but I'm gonna rinse them off. So I have washed my peaches and cut one just to see how inside look, but I'm gonna put them back into this. Even though I wash this container, it's not gonna do the cover, the countertop, anything. I'm just gonna pack them back in here just for space. And we are going to rinse our raspberries off. I've washed the raspberry and look how beautiful they look. So let's get into the prepping of all the fruits. So now we are going to cut up our peach. We're not going to cut it all the way, just all up. We're just going to slice it, twist it, and we are going to take the seeds out. I wonder if I can use a spoon. The last time I used a yeah, we can use a spoon and take it out. Wow, look at that. This is a smart way. And do you hear people talking about the peach seed, that it is good for health benefit, for the C, for the grade C. I don't want to call the name. So we just use a spoon, make sure the seed is out, and we'll do this quickly. I wonder if these peach, they are sweet. So we will just add the raspberry. So we're going to use this, the apple, for the sweetener. So they keep it that away. hard to take out. Let's see if the rest of this one. Oh, this one is easy. This one is a bit softer. Let's taste them, and they taste sweet. Not so bad. Soft ones. I think I have two. I need this one for decoration. I'll just use these. Peach is good for gut health. I think I want to use this piece. I'll take it out. This one is okay. This one is good. Hope you all will try and making this drink. And you have a wide variety of peaches. I have some in my backyard. I'll just cut this side off and use it. I'll go around the back and I'll show you the peach that I have on the tree. There's a lot of peaches out there. Wow. I don't know if this one is good. Yeah, this one is good. This one is a bit soft, so I'll just use the top piece. So now we are going to be peeling our lemon. Hope everyone is having a happy start of the new year with health. And you know that we just concentrate on healthiness on this channel. And I'm not going to throw away these skins. I use them for tea. So we're going to quickly core a few apples. I have these apples from last week and they are juicy as. Guys, don't forget to leave your comment and try. I have so many recipes on this channel you can try, and you can check out some of my teas. Like the hibiscus tea and the sage tea on the tea playlist. So the sage is for menopause Oh, this is so nice to plant like this. Anyway, we're gonna start our juicing now. And of course, I'm still using out of 10. I'm giving the Revo 830 a rest. And I'm going to leave one of these. Leave one up out. Just in case, I don't know what I'm going to use to decorate as yet. So guys, let's get into our juicing. So today we're not going to use the extension at the top. So we're going to take the lid off. And then we're going to take this second bit off. So we're just gonna use just this bit. So we're gonna start by popping in some peach. So we are just gonna put, so guys, let's keep popping the peaches in and see how much we get. And remember, I'm just testing out, still testing the machine, and it's good, honestly. It's nice. Wow, I don't think I can put anything else in here. So let's pop the top up. And we're gonna turn on our juicer. So now we are going to make our creamy peach juice, and the peach is good for diabetic. It has vitamin C, E, A, iron, calcium, zinc, potassium and sulfur. And look how the juice is coming in the mixing bowl. Nice, creamy and beautiful. Peach also have beta-carotene and lycopene. Peach allows the body to absorb more nutrients in one single serving, and also boost the immune system and improve overall health. So look at this machine, the Covin Auto 10. It crushes and squeezes the juice out of the fruit. Our mixing bowl is almost full. Look how creamy. This juice reminds me of the sweet potato juice that I did. It's just creamy and nice and smooth. Wow, your body and your gut will love you for this. Come on guys, feed your body right, do the right thing. So now we're gonna let out our first batch of juice. And remember, I put the peach in first. Turn the juice on to form the dough. Nice and creamy. Peach juice also helps with blood circulation and helps to strengthen your heart. Look how beautiful this juice looks. I've added 4 carrots also into this juice, just to kind of loosen up, because the peach is a bit thick, just to give it a little bit of light. So look at how the carrot is coming out. The trash is so nice and beautiful. Don't forget to use the trash to make a smoothie. Don't throw them out. So guys, I've stopped the juicer and we are going to put some more fruits in the juicer. So we're going to pop some fruits in and we're going to put a few peaches. So we're going to turn on the juicer. And you know I always add apple as a sweetener. The peaches are not so sweet, so the apple will help to give it a nice taste. The lime will alkalize your body, which is good, and help the juice to taste extra refreshing. So we get back to the peaches. It stimulates the blood flow all over your body, which results to low blood pressure. Our mixing bowl is almost full and we are at the point where we are going to let the juice out from a full mixing bowl. So let's keep going, guys. So we are now gonna let out our third batch of juice and everything is creamy and looking nice. So we call this the peach creamy juice. That's the name I'm gonna give it. So we have a few pieces in the top. We're gonna just keep going with the juice. At this point we have a small amount of fruit left over, so I pop them in and we are just going to get this bit out and then we are going to serve our juice. Look at how it is spinning and getting rid of the fruit down that little hole. So we're going to let out the remaining of the juice and I'm going to turn on the juice and pump the rest out. Peach also help to prevent macular degeneration. So guys, look how this juice is looking so rich. Oh, I can't wait to dive in it. Wow. So we are ready to serve our juice and this one has the raspberry in it.